Okay, it is Saturday, January 24th, 2026, and as you can see, we have our yearly winter storm. So we're here at this office complex with a bunch of heat pumps. Figured we could take a look at them and see what we could catch. Here's an American Standard silver that's off right now, but it's very frozen, as you can see. This one is running. It just defrosted right as I was walking up to these. Just barely missed it. It's already pretty frozen again. This American Standard came back on. $2017 5-ton. Right here we have a very noisy Goodman. It's also pretty frosty. It's about 87% humidity right now, I think, last time I checked.
Data, it's a 5-ton from 2018.
I think startup shutdown of this one was brand new. Here's this Comfortmaker that I filmed last winter. This unit is from 2023 and it's a 5-ton. And then all three of these Lennox Merits are off currently. This one looks to have been running. It's got some ice on the coil. Here's this unit running now. That's a 5-ton from 2017. It's 25 degrees right now. As you can see, we've still got ice. Ground is completely solid. And here's the carrier running. Pulling some freezing cold air out. Just turned on, so I don't think the suction line will be frozen yet. Well, it's frozen under a bunch of ice. Can't even get to it to see how. Oh, there we go. That's ice cold. Yeah, 2024 5-ton. This thing is not going to last very long if it keeps running in weather like this.